It doesn't take long to realize the FCR is a different kind of machine. One that craves action, edge-to-edge riding, and a wide-open throttle. One that reaches 30 miles per hour before you can count to 2. And one that runs on adrenaline, turning it into raw power, performance, and world championships. Powered by a supercharged 1.8-liter super high-output intercooled Yamaha Marine engine, the FCR has the get-up-and-go of a thoroughbred, yet manages incredible edge-to-edge inside lean capabilities thanks to its agile, lightweight Nano XL hull, offering the ultimate in energetic, high-speed maneuverability. Dial in this speedster to grab an advantage over the competition with aggressive features that include Yamaha's Quick Shift trim system for rapid adjustments on the fly and the industry's only telescopic steering column, both designed to give serious water enthusiasts the ride they demand. Easy-to-read analog dials clearly display RPM and speed, while you focus on the action from the comfort of a sport-bolstered, ergonomically designed seat that keeps you firmly in the saddle during extreme riding conditions. Season after season, the athletic build and undeniable power of the FCR continue to drive it to the top of the podium. Available in carbon, the FCR starts at $13,999.